Hey, if you wonder if you can actually capture snoring on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, yes, you can do this, but first, of course, you have to put your watch on the wrist while going to sleep, and also you have to put the phone close to your head. How close? Maybe to like 2 meters away. This is actually the maximum range, because all of these sounds, I mean your snoring, will be actually registered through your phone, not through your watch. And you will have to also enable this option, the sleep breathing awareness. So you have to go here and you have to be sure that you just turn it on, and also that you enable the Huawei True Sleep. And after this, when you go to sleep and when you start snoring, you will actually get this data on the Huawei Health application. And if you wonder where you can actually find this data, you have to go for the Health, move into the Sleep, and then click here on the right upper corner and tap on the Advanced, and no, not here, it was actually this all data. Nope. Sleeping sounds. Yeah, here we can find the snoring. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.